All right, y'all, it's a super quick video on how to replace a battery in a Honda key fob. My wife has a 2019 Honda Pilot, and her dashboard has been telling her that her key fob battery is low. So first thing we're gonna do is flip it to the back. You're gonna slide this little notch on the arrow it shows. You can pull the key out like that. Then you're gonna use the key and just kind of tuck it in between these two plastic tabs and turn it. Pop that open. Very easy. Now you have access to the battery. It's a CR2032. You see I bought these on Amazon for like $6. I'll put a link below. And then from there, just use your fingernail to pop that battery out, or maybe a little screwdriver if you need to. Pop the new one in. And then you just put this back on like that. Put your key back in. And that's it, all good. There you have it. Pretty easy. So yeah, CR2032 battery, that's how you change it. Thanks for watching.